How to collaborate with team members in VEED. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io, then sign into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the Workspaces section on the left-hand side. VEED allows you to create or join a workspace where you and your team members can collaborate on multiple video projects. To start, click on the existing spaces or create new workspace by clicking on the plus button. After that, click on the invite button and enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. You can assign them roles such as editor, viewer, or owner depending on the level of access you want to give. After your team members join, everyone can access the same projects in real time. You can upload videos, edit together, leave comment, and make changes that update instantly for everyone. VEED automatically saves all progress in the cloud, so there's no need to worry about losing work. Now you know how to collaborate with team members in VEED. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.